So in last lecture, we discussed about the behavior model of 4 to 1 multiplexer using case statement. Now today also we will take one another example of the case statement, and in this example we will write the behavior model of 2 to 4 decoder. Then we will write the test bench for that, and I will demonstrate the result in the software. So now Verilog code of 2 to 4 decoder using case statement. So this is the block diagram of 2 to 4 decoder. Here inputs we have created the inputs as array, right? So since it is 2 to 4 decoder, so the basic inputs to this decoder is A1 and A0, and this A2 will act as a enable, right? If this A2 is 1, then only this decoder will perform its basic operation, right? Means depending upon the values of A1 and A0, any one of the output will be high. So this will take place only if enable input is 1, and if enable input is in place of 1, if it is 0, then all the outputs will be 0, right? So the truth table for this decoder is like this. This is these are the inputs A2, A1, A0. So these are the inputs. And these are the outputs. Outputs are also declared as the vector. So if A2 is 0, means A2 is not enabled, because already I told you A2 belongs to this enable, right? This is our enable input. If A2 is 0, then whatever may be the value of A1 or A0, all the output lines will remain 0, means decoder is not in operation. And if enable input is 1, then depending upon A1 and A0, if they are 0, then output number Y1 will be 1 and remaining outputs will be 0. And come to the next condition. In next condition also A2 is 1, this means enable is 1, and if the inputs are 0, 1, A1 is 0, A0 is 1, then output number Y1 will be 1 and remaining outputs will be 0. Now come to next condition, and here also A2 is 1, and now if A1 is 1 and A0 is 0, then output number Y2 will be 1 and remaining outputs will be 0. You can see here. And here last condition, if A2 is 1 and A1 and A0 is 1, 1, then output number Y3 will be 1 and remaining 3 outputs will be 0. So this we have to model in form of Verilog code. Okay, so this is the Verilog code. So we start with module, we end with end module. The name of the Verilog module is decoder underscore 2 underscore TO2 underscore 4. Inputs are these ports are A and Y, right? Now in next statement we will create the vectors. So input port input 2 colon 0 A. With this 3 elements of A will be created. These will be A2, A1 and A0, and they will created in the same sequence. See how I have written here, range 2 to 1. This means it will be created in this way: A2, A1 and A0. In this sequence it will be created. So same sequence I have written here, A2, A1 and A0. Now next statement is for the creating output port. Output 0 colon 3 Y. So in this, four elements of Y will be created: Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. And they will be, see how I have written here, 0 colon 3. So the four elements will be created like this: Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. In this sequence it will be created. Okay. Now rig Y0 colon 3 Y. So now I have with this statement I am creating a register type variable rig, and the four elements of this register type variable is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. Then next statement is always @A. So the sensitivity list of always is A. So whenever there is change in the value of A means A2, A1, A0. Whenever there is change in the value of these three inputs, any one of these three inputs, then the always block will be activated. And once it is activated, then all the statements written inside always block will be executed. So inside always block, what we have written? Case, and within bracket A. So A is the expression, and here A is a vector type, right? It is a three element vector. So depending upon the values of A, the various values will be assigned to Y, right? So what can be the different values of A? It can be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. These four will be the condition when A2 is 0. So when A2 is 0, this means your decoder is not active, right? Because A2 belongs to this enable input. So if A2 is 0, then whatever may be the value of A1 and A0, whatever it may be the value of this means you can say it as a don't care. If A2 is 0 and A1 and A0 is don't care, then all the outputs will be 0. See this condition, all the outputs will be 0. So see this, this condition, and apart from this condition, since we are dealing with four value system, so apart from these there can be high impedance or other things will be there. So all these conditions will be included in default case, right? Default 0, 0, 0, 0 will be assigned to Y. So all these cases will be included in default. Now apart from this, now see here the expression value, expression A. See whatever is inside the brackets in case statement here A, this is the expression. If its value is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 means we are talking about this condition 1, 0, 0. If this is the case, then Y naught should be 1 and remaining output will be 0. So see here what we have written, 1, 0, 0, 0 will be assigned to Y. So how we created Y? Y we created as Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3 we created in this way. And what value we are assigning? 1, 0, 0, 0 means we are assigning 1, 0, 0, 0 to Y. This means this MSB value will go to Y0, then this value 0 will go to Y1. So in the same sequence, these value will be assigned to output. Right? This 0 will go to Y3. So Y0 will be 1. So see here, Y0 will be 1 and remaining 3 will be 0. Now see the next condition. If the value of expression A is 101, 101 means we are talking about this condition 101. Then output will be 0100. So see the output will be 0100. Now next condition, if the expression A has value 110, 110 means we are talking about this condition 110. So the output will be 0010. So see here, output Y will be 0010. Now see the next condition, if the A expression will have value 111. So 111 means this. So output will be 0001. So see here, output will be here 0001 will be assigned to Y. Now apart from these three, these four conditions, right? Apart from these four conditions, for any other condition, output will be 0. So that will be covered in default case. Default means all previous unassigned values. So assigned, what are the previous values which we are taking care? 100, 101, 110, 111. These are the values of expression A which we are considering. And apart from these values, if there are any other value left out, so that will be covered by default case. So if default, then output will be 0000. Then AND case, AND module. So this is the code of 2 to 4 decoder using case statement. And this is the test bench. Already we wrote the test bench when we have written the Verilog module of 2 to 4 decoder by using if-else statement. So same test bench code I have taken here, and now I will show you the demonstration. So now see here, this is the this is the decoder for 2 to 4 code, right? Whatever I discussed just now, same I have written here, right? Okay. Now this is the test bench code. Now I will simulate this code. Okay. So here now, here you see outputs Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, and these are the inputs A2, A1, A0. Now we check the condition at 7.1 nanosecond. A is 1. Since A2 is 1. If A2 is 1, now this decoder is in operation. Depending upon A1 and A0, some output we will get. A1 is 0, A0 is 0. So if this is the case, then Y0 will be 1. So see here, Y0, this is 1, and remaining outputs will be 0, Y1, Y2, Y3, they are 0. Now we check another condition at 12.6 nanosecond. First we have to see A2. A2 is 1, this means enable is 1. Now we will go for A1 and A0 condition. A1 is 0, A0 is 1. So if this is the condition, then output number Y1 will get 1 and remaining output will be 0. So see here, Y1 is 1 and remaining 3 are 0. Y0, Y2 and Y3, they are all 0. We check another condition. Now again first we will check the enable. Enable means A2. A2 input is 1. So now depending upon A1 and A0, A1 is 1, A0 is 0. So now depending upon this value, output number Y2 will get 1 output number y2 is 1. Remaining three outputs are 0. y0 is 0, y1 is 0, y3 is 0. We check another condition. Now A2 is 1, this means enable is 1, and A1 and A0 both are 1 1. This means output number Y3 will have 1, and remaining three outputs are 0. See here, Y0 is 0, Y1 is 0, Y2 is 0. Now we check another condition. Now A2 is 0. Now if A2 is 0, then there is no need to see other inputs, right? Because enable is 0. If enable is 0, all the outputs are 0. See here, Y0 is 0, Y1 is 0, Y2 is 0, Y3 is 0. We check another condition. Now A2 is 1. This means enable is 1. So now we will go check A1 and A0 also. A1 is 0, A0 is 0, A0 is 1. So for this condition, Y1 will be 1. So Y1 is 1 and remaining three outputs are 0. Y0 is 0, Y2 is 0, Y3 is 0. So in this way, we have seen with this waveform that this particular Verilog module is working as 2 to 4 decoder. Okay.